Hey everyone, this is Berk from Budget Blinds of West Toronto. I just want to show you how our smart home collection motors operate. And many clients ask me to show them some videos, and I just want to shoot a new one, a recent one, so that will give you a nice idea how our motorized shades operate. So this is Budget Blinds product, smart home collection, and here we go. And this is a dual shade or zebra, which is a room darkening in a bedroom. So if you want to stop, you just push the middle button, stop, or go down, go up. You can also adjust the motor speeds, so it can go up faster or slower according to your needs. So how it works is we charge the blind, right? It's very straightforward. Oops, sorry. So we have this charging port right there, if you can see. So that's where you plug in your charger and charge your blinds probably every 10 to 12 months once. So once a year is pretty good run. So this is our smart home collection motors from Budget Blinds. Thank you and have a wonderful day.